How are you? Excited to start the player development program for 2019-2020. I'm gonna be trying to use different methods of communicating with you guys, make the information as accessible as possible for you guys, as I know everyone has busy lives, other things going on, family, work, kids, etc., etc. This week I want you to consider, when you're coaching your sessions, how you implement the game model. And you'll notice that there's U9 and U10 have the same session, but then all the way through U11 to U18 have the same session plan. And we should know that coaching a U11 boy is different from coaching a U18 boy. So it's really important we understand the levels of complexity that need to be in our sessions. And so things that change is not the session structure for U11 to U18, but instead the complexity of what we teach and the complexity of the game. So for example, the session plan for U11s, you will have less players. So less players equals less decision making equals less complexity. U18 will hopefully be able to play somewhere close to 9v9 or 11v11 if you pair with another team. And so the level of complexity, the amount of decisions to make is much larger. And you'll notice as you look through the roadmaps on the game model, if you look at the roadmaps for the foundation kits, there's a lot less on there, there's a lot less things to teach than there is as you go up into the U18 level. Now, you have to choose, and it's all sequential, it's in order, so you teach it in priority order. So if at U11 you only get to point number 1 in building this week, which is spread out, and maybe cover point number 2, which is create passing options. And if you only get through that for the whole year, but you get it done really well, that's fine. U18, we expect spread out, create passing options, and decision to play forward, and if not, switch the play. So the level of complexity is higher. And U18, again, what's your role within that? As a left back, when we say spread out and the ball's with your goalkeeper, what does that mean? As a central midfielder, with the ball with your centre back, and we say create passing options, what could that mean? So on and so forth. So the biggest difference, guys, is that as you coach up the way in age groups and abilities, the level of complexity of your session gets greater, but the structure of the session remains the same. If anyone has any questions or would like support the sessions this week, you just need to let me know. We can schedule some time, or I can come out and run a session for you. Mauricio should be available to run a session for you. We can talk on the phone. There's lots of ways we can go about it. Thanks for all you do, and have a great week.